Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome back. I am going to make a new video here for you. And that video is not about learning English, but it's a kind of an information which may be useful for you. In fact, I am going to share a video. After that information, or you can say I am going to attach that video with that information which I am recording here. My wife has been suffering from some knee pain for the last few months, and she was advised by the doctor not to go up or go down through stairs. So it was not possible for me to change the house. So I got that provision, means I got a lift installed in my house that is for G+2, means ground floor, first floor and second floor. And it is very effective and very secure, means safety is there, means there is no risk at all, and it is not much expensive in comparison to the commercial lifts in mall and others. So that I am going to share with you. If you feel interested to have that kind of lift in your house, you may contact me, and I am going to share my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. So if you send me any request on Skype, we'll discuss everything in detail. So thanks for watching. Now I am going to record the same in Hindi also.
जी सर. Ground.